In our previous lecture, we have worked on search state. Now what we will do, we will try to search and we will try to access the keyword which user has typed. First, let me open backend folder. Inside this utils, we have created this API functionalities where we have written this entire search function. And here we are searching the product based on name. If you want to search the product based on categories, then simply here you will be passing or operator, and inside this you will be passing array of object. Inside this array, this entire thing we have to wrap inside object. From here, I will remove. Then again, separate by comma. You can create second object where you can pass description, third object where you can pass categories, and in that way, you can do multiple search for the product. But for this project, we are only going to consider name. So I will just bring back the code. So only using name, we are going to search for the products. Close this. From front end, I'm just going to open app.jsx, and inside this, I will be adding the route. So as soon as we click on this, we will be redirected to products, and after that, we are having this keyword. Below this, I will copy. I should be having the same component, and after this, I will be passing keyword. So this will be dynamic value. So here, I'm just going to pass the parameter keyword. Now where we will have this keyword, we are going to have inside this products component. So I'm just going to open this component, and inside this we are going to access our keyword parameter. So below this I will be creating one variable. I will give the variable name as location, and inside this I will be using use location hook from React Router DOM. As soon as I click on that, this hook will be imported from React Router DOM. Below this, we are going to create one new instance. Here, I will be writing URL search params. And inside this, I will access this location. From there, I will access this search property. Using that, we are just going to search whatever parameters we are having in our URL. And this entire value, I'm just going to assign to the variable search params. Now below this, let me log this search params. Save this, come here, I will inspect. Now you can see inside this I am having size 1, which means I am having only one keyword. Now here I will be writing, and I will write page is equal to 1. I will hit enter, come to console. Now you can see I am having size is equal to 2. Why? Because now in my URL I am having two parameters. Let me close this. Come back to home page. Now inside this, I'm just going to search for mobile. Now as of now, I'm only having one parameter, and that parameter I have to access. Let me remove this. I will be creating one variable. I will give the variable name as keyword. Now from this search params, we are having access to this get method. Inside this, I will be passing my parameter name keyword. So exact same thing what we have passed, and here also inside the navbar, while performing this route, we are just passing this keyword. But whatever we are passing inside this app, exact same thing I will access. Now below this I will log, and here I will be writing keyword. Save this, come here, let me just come back. I will be searching for mango. Hit enter, inspect this. Now you can see I am able to get mango. Okay, now we are able to access the value of the keyword. Next, what we will do in backend, whatever code we have written, based on that code, we are going to fetch our data.